The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Freestone County in central Texas, northeastern Leon County in central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located near Buffalo, or 10 miles southeast of Cheek, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Buffalo around 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oakwood. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 179 and 190. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.